This video is part of a tutorial to help you create an AI call assistant. We use voice over IP VoIP technology to create an AI soft phone. This video is about creating a ring group in C#. Why do we need a ring group? A single extension can only ring one phone, so if that person is unavailable, the call is lost. But a ring group solves this by calling several extensions on behalf of one incoming call and connecting the caller to whichever member picks up first. A ring group is an extension that represents a set of members who can all potentially answer an incoming call, transferring the caller to whichever member picks up first. A ring strategy determines how members are selected for calling, with three available options: RingAll, which calls all members simultaneously, RingOneByOne, which calls members in a preset order, and RingGroupRandom, which calls members in a randomized order. How does this solution work? When a call comes in, the ring group call handler answers it and uses the CallSequencer method to call members one at a time, moving to the next if a member is busy or unreachable, and the moment any member answers, AttendedTransfer hands the caller off to them, and the sequence stops. To build and run the solution, download and extract the project archive, then open it in Visual Studio, build the project, and run the compiled console application. This example uses the RingOneByOne strategy specifically, but the same steps apply if you prefer to start from the RingAll or RingGroupRandom project instead. To test the solution, enter your SIP account details and wait for registration to succeed. Then enter the number of ring group members and the phone number for each member. Place a call to the ring group extension from another line and confirm the members are called one by one in the order they were added, stopping and transferring the call the moment one of them answers. The core of the ring one by one strategy is the call sequencer method, which starts a call to only the first member left in the list or hangs up the incoming call if no members remain. Every time a member is removed from the list, whether because they answered or because they were busy, calling this method again naturally picks up whichever member is now first, producing the one at a time dialing order. To analyze the network traffic, you can use Wireshark to capture SIP messages and the asterisk console to debug SIP events, where the 486 busy here response triggers CallSequencer to skip unreachable members, and the refer request performs an attended transfer to the answering member. By applying a SIP display filter in Wireshark and enabling SIP debug in asterisk, you can trace the full call flow from the initial invite through the busy responses to the final refer that hands the caller off to whichever member answered. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more VoIP and SIP tutorials.